adventure! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. This is your Master Adventurer Edwin, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox a very controversial Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. And guess what? This is very slim, and I'm buying this one in my Cambodian friend's shop here, my Kim Hong shop here over here. So right now I'm holding a very thin box, and later we will unbox this one. Alright, so this is iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue, and this is all what I wanted on my birthday and last Christmas, but I wasn't able to purchase it because I was kind of busy. We're going to unbox this now. So this is going to ayan. So what comes in our box here is box container, and this is the Pacific Blue. Wow, I love it. Ayan. Alright, so let's see what's inside. And okay, so now I'm holding the iPhone 12 Pro Max now, Pacific Blue, and let's open it now and see what is inside the box. Alright, so what's inside the box is we have the lightning cable. Sad because wala siyang yung adapter. So I need to use my old adapter on my iPhone X. Ayan. And it comes with I think this is a sticker. Ayan. This is yung pin na pangkuha ng ating SIM card, and the sticker and the usual paper that we used to alright, and ito na yung sticker. Meron tayong sticker ng Apple. Ayan. So ayan. And nothing more. That's all. And we move to our unit. Ayan. So may takip siya dito, and unveil na natin siya. Unveil. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. So ang ganda niya. Ayan. This is the camera over here. Ayan. Ang gusto ko yung kulay niya, Pacific Blue, because I like blue. So ayan. And the price of this is quite expensive. Ayan, pero it's worth it naman as a gift to myself. Ayan. Ayan. Alright, so ang gagawin natin ngayon, i-set up na natin ngayon, but I have to transfer my files from my old iPhone to my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this is dual SIM also. So the good thing is I can put my SIM card, Philippine SIM card, and yung SIM card ko dito sa Cambodia. Ayan. So yan. So ngayon ililipat na natin yung aking mga files dito sa bagong iPhone. So isa-set up muna natin ang aking bagong iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so now I'm going to set up my Face ID on my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so ito yung itsura niya compared dun sa luma. Yung sa luma kasi medyo rounded yung surface niya dito sa gilid. Ito naman medyo square siya. Ayan. So ito yung volume control. Volume control is here, and then ito yung sa silent ring button. Ayan. And then the volume control, and andito naman yung lagayan ng SIM. So dalawang SIM siya. Unlike dun sa iPhone X, yung lagayan ng SIM niya ay nandito sa right side. So in iPhone 12 Pro Max, andito na siya sa left side, which is beside the volume control. Ayan, and this is the speaker. Ayan, and this is the power button over here. So the same location as before. And so ang sarap niyang hawakan. Although it's quite medyo malaki ng konti, pero ang sarap hawakan. Ayan, so mamaya palalagay natin siya ng the screen protector and then the cover. Ayan, so set up natin ating face scan. Turn on na natin siya. Ayan, nag-turn on na. Ayan. So, and saying hello to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I also can transfer now my files from my old phone, so I just press continue so I can transfer pwede ko lang i-transfer yung mga files ko dito.
Yeah,
this one. So ayan, i-scan ko lang siya. Okay, so we're good now. So at the same time, nagta-transfer na rin siya. Okay, so I'm gonna use my pin. And it may take few minutes to finish. So while we're waiting, ayan, naglilipat na siya. So ganito kalaki yung comparison niya. Ito yung iPhone X ko, and then ito yung iPhone 12. A little bit larger yung iPhone 12 Pro Max compared dito sa akin, sa bago. So magse-set up na rin ako ng Face ID. Ayan, so dapat pogi ako. So then proper sa app na continue. Okay, so I'll continue, and then before I forget, we have this iPhone comes with 2 SIMs or double SIM. So tignan natin, yung SIM card niya is here, SIM card slot. So you need to open this, and ayan. So actually binilagyan na kanina siya. So ayan siya, dalawang SIM card niya, both sa likod at sa harap. Ayan, so yung sa may ilalim niya, ilalagay ko yung SIM ko na sa Philippines dito sa ilalim. Actually makikita mo siya, yung slot niya is ayan, kapag ganyan siya. Ayan, so makikita mo meron siyang para siyang rubber. Ayan, meron siyang rubber dito. Ayan, dito. And then kahit ayan, hindi siya mahuhulog. Ayan, and then the top one will be the other SIM card. Ito yung local SIM card ko dito sa Cambodia, and then ganun din. So dalawang SIM na siya, and then babalik na natin siya. Alright, and that's it. And we need to set up the cellular, which is the primary would be my SIM card here. Alright, done. And then continue. And then secondary would be my number in Philippines. Alright, so yan, makikita mo meron siyang, ito yung network ko dito, Metphone, and then the other one is still, I think, still searching for the network. Alright, so yan ang ating unboxing ng ating iPhone 12 Pro Max. Ayan, so ganda. And I would like to thank the owner of this store, Mike Kim Hong Chop. Alright, yan. So, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updated on my future videos. I will be updating more on my gadgets opening. Alright, thank you very much.